Hi, welcome back. Quick one this evening. Got somebody I know that wants to install Minecraft. Yeah, it's Minecraft. Yeah, just think about it again. On a Raspberry Pi. And he's been wondering if you could do it. I haven't done it before, but been working for what last 5, 6 years with Raspberries. Um, yes, I think we can do it. Let's have a look. And I'll share it to you. So for me, it might be some time. For you, it will be quite quick. I'll just bring you back every time for the changes. I won't bore you with all the uploads and downloads and all of that stuff. So first things first, on the video right here, he's got his Raspberry Pi. My finger is in the way. That's your professional pointer here, your pen. There's a Raspberry Pi inside the Pi. Those who don't know, this is what the Raspberry Pi looks like. Okay, the one he's got at the moment is a 3B, so actually a 4B. Yeah, it's Raspberry Pi 4. So I've got it connected up onto the network. I've got this screen that's sitting on connected, as well as the power. What I don't have at the moment is an SD card. So he gave me this lovely SD card that's inside the adapter. So it actually fits nicely in there. So boom, there. So nicely in there, this SD card adapter, it fits right in front of here. And then it goes into USB. So let's load the Pi software to start install the Raspbian. Now to start off, my computer's complaining about a couple of stuff, but not keep complaining. I think that SD card is probably pre-installed with noobs. I don't want noobs. Yeah, shush. Okay, so if you haven't done so, get your Raspberry Pi installer, imager. So basically, that's your imager, and before you start, you can download from Windows, and it's quite nice. So each device, I've got a Pi 4. Something to realize if you're gonna do Minecraft, go with 64-bit. I've done a Minecraft server before, and it doesn't work on a 32-bit. You need to work with 64-bit. I also like to use the headless option, but since it's going to play on this machine, I take it we need to have the full Minecraft installation. We use 31 gig. Install, edit the settings. This is just my setup at home. For a wireless, we don't actually need that. What I do like to do is note the date of installation as my name, and let's write to it. It's going to take some time. See you guys in a bit. Okay, now that that's done, continue. We can take the USB card out. Not USB card, SD card. You take that out, put it into the Raspberry and start it up. I'm not very, I don't like these housings very much. All these enclosures. Right, it's in. Now we should give it time to install. Power it up and see what happens. Oh, so far so good. Now that we've got the Raspberry installed, I normally like to SSH into it and then work directly from it. So just quickly, what I want to find out is the IP address. And I have a mouse on it at the moment, so let's see if I can do this. Terminal, okay, this terminal. Open up terminal, ipconfig or rfconfig. Windows is ipconfig, Windows is ipconfig, Linux is ifconfig. And as we can see here is our LAN. Our wireless LAN is sitting at 140. And if we go up there, yes. So we can go into 140. I'm just going to run that again. And through more. Not happy with this keyboard. I can't see anything on this keyboard. Okay, so the wired LAN is 139. The wireless is 140. So we will SSH into 139. Right. So we're gonna try. I don't know if SSH is set up correctly. Let's try that. So SSH by at 10.0.0.149. We say yes. And the password. And win. Right. So if you quickly have a look back on your screen, there's nothing happening on that screen, that side. So we are working straight from in the Raspberry on this side. Okay. First thing we're going to do. First thing we're going to do. I see it's late at night. I think it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. No. Yeah. Not really. Not close. In any case, we're gonna say sudo apt update. No, sudo apt get update. Sudo apt update. And that we will follow with sudo apt upgrade. Now make sure we have the right upgrade. Keep typing wrong tonight. This will take some time. Yes, I want to upgrade everything, so let's run. Okay, now that we've completed the update, let's install Java. So we need to make sure that we've got the latest part of Java installed. So sudo apt install. To say yes, it's going to ask me yes, and it's going to run. And this also will take some time to finish. So it should install the 64-bit version of Java. Otherwise, it will just not work. So Java version, something here. Just type that in, and we are getting that it's this guy who wants to use this. He actually wants to use the graphical version of the software, and you need to install this via graphics site. The problem is I'm not interested in struggling on this side. Okay, this is on the screen itself. I would like to work off my machine to install it. So what we're going to do is try to install the remote desktop version of the graphic package. And that we will do via, we need to do sudo first. Sudo apt-get install xrdp, and I want to say yes, just continue and do it. So that's going to run some time. And after that, I'm supposed to be able to log in via remote desktop. I've never done this, so this will be the first time. So bear with me, please. I'm going to check something on the Raspberry Pi. The config. The VNC is enabled. Would you like to be enabled? Yes. VNC is enabled, okay. Finish. Would you like to reboot now? Yes. Oh, I had a quick reboot. And let's go back to the Windows side and see if we can log in via VNC. Yes. Continue. I will not tell you what the password is, but I will remember it for myself. And we're in. Now the fun begins. What I can remember. Okay, we're back. Remember, I said in the beginning, I haven't tried the doing the Pi apps route, and I think that's the way we need to go. I've tried with the Minecraft, the TLauncher on the Java edition, and it's hanging. It's just hanging, not doing anything. So let's try the next phase. So let's make this a little bit bigger for you. And what we're going to do here, and I hope you can do it this way. It's working. So I'll add this commands view at the bottom in the description as well. If it works, let's see what happens. So there is a group of apps called PiApps, which we're going to install now. And apparently this whole Minecraft is located in PiApps as well. So let's take a chance, let's start there and let's work our way through it. Okay, it's done with that. To my understanding, there's the PiApps. Okay, this will be the first time I ever open this up. It says this text file PiApps seems to be executable script. Execute it. And it comes up with this beautiful little app screen. Now let's see this games, and there's quite a lot of games here. Minecraft, Java, Prism Launcher, Minecraft Bedrock. I'm not even sure which one he wants. Minecraft Server, Minecraft Pi, Modded. Let's just install all of them. Let's start with Minecraft Prism Launcher. Don't know what it is. Install. And that's so. So you can get this bigger. Everybody can see what's happening here. Okay. It's got a nice script that does all the installations for you, which is nice. Raspberry guys, this looks quite nice. I should do some research. See who actually did you develop this app. Might be stated somewhere. There's unpacking stuff at the moment. I think it's time to make some coffee. Listen to some music while it's busy installing. That's finished. Okay. Maybe I'm too. No. So they're done. Okay. Done. The warning, you are running a device that's not OpenGL. Okay. Yeah. Why are you telling me that if you say vanilla up to? Okay. Now it's going to update again. Yeah, I think we can go make some coffee and listen to some music. And we're done. So it says it's installed. Now, how do we test it? By programming, no, not accessories. Yes, by apps. Let's close that. Click on that again. Okay, now uninstall. I don't want to uninstall it. I want to run it, but I don't know how. If there, programming is nothing. Internet is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing. Games. Prism launcher. Okay, done it. British English should be fine. Next. And this is so small. Even me sitting right in front of the machine must really stretch my eyes. Next. I'm just gonna say next everywhere here because I've got no idea what's happening. Welcome. Click add instance to get started. Add instance. Okay. I don't see what to be done here. 8. So okay. Well, there's a little launch button here. Michael, we must have at least one Microsoft account but don't have a login. Would you like to open the no? A demo because I don't have his account details. I'm not gonna add it and then I might miss something. So I'll do a demo. I don't play games. I really don't play games. I don't like games. So that's why I don't have game accounts or anything like that. I rather spend my time trying to sort out a piece of software or write a piece of software or something like that or build something. That's what I do. I think that's what all my YouTube videos is all about as well. Trying to debug stuff, resolve issues, problems, not games. I actually feel games are, it's not growing your mind. It's not growing what you see in the future. So while this is again running around building something, you can listen to some music. I'll see where I can find this time around, which is not making you sleep like my voice, or putting you asleep like my voice. Well, something happened. I'm not sure what. There's a little play button there now. I'm not sure if I need to click on it or still wait. On the side it says kill, launch. Doesn't really tell me what to do. Or if it's busy with anything. Oh, there's still something happened. Something's still happening. I just need to wait. I just spoke to my kids. They say I need to install or they want to see how the Bedrock and the other ones we saw in the Pi apps also work. So I'll install that as well during this video. Right, let's see. Continue. Is that what we click on? Options. I'd like to see what the full screen length. Let's leave it where it is. Done. Got no idea what I'm doing here, guys. Let's just hit done. If you can go full screen. And if we go and have a look on the oh that's a Raspberry Pi screen. Interesting to see the speed is that so play demo world. We need to get one of my two boys to complete this. Because I don't know what to do. So I've clicked on play. Oh, there he goes. It'll be interesting to see the speed difference between the Pi 4 and I've got two Pi 5s in my rack here. And one of these days just change one of the Pi 5s to take the SD card out, load this onto it, and we can do a speed comparison between the Pi 4 and Pi 5. I'll take one of the other. I think there's a Pi 4 in my rack as well. Yeah, you can probably run both of them. Do a split screen, see the difference. I also think the Pi is struggling now because I'm running remote desktop into it while sharing the screen, and I can definitely, looking at both of them, I can see the Pi is the self is ahead of time. Okay, continue playing. So what now? I have no idea what I'm doing, and it seems to be. Maybe this needs to be played on the Pi itself so you can see what the speed is. Because it is jerky at best. We bring you back to the screen here. I can move the mouse. No, this is not for me. Not at all. Okay. A little bit jerky. It's not up to speed. Let us try something else. How do you exit here? Options. Video settings, because this will be something to do with video, and we make it a that will be a faster speed. 8x600, 6024-bit. Done. Done. Back to game. Well, I think the mouse is also very sensitive. So the setting for that, let's go back to options, controls, mouse settings. Let's take this all the way down. I think this is the problem. Cross sensitivity. Okay, I've got no idea. Let's try that. Done. Back to game. After a couple of settings, playing around the settings, we got it to actually work a lot faster. It's a lot more responsive. So one of the things we turned off was clouds. The mouse is still a little bit jerky. I don't know why. And we put the frame rate all the way back to 1024 by 768. We get some speed out of this. I do, however, I will do a video where we actually build this onto a Pi 5 just to see that the not a difference in the game, but actually speed differences. That will show the speed difference between the new Pi and the old Pi. I do have one here. I have, like I said, two on my rack. I'll swap a SD card and see what we can do. Again, till next time. Like, subscribe. See you then.